Assalamu alaikum, dear students and viewers. At first, thanks Honorable Prime Minister, then Education Minister for influence online class. Dear student, welcome to my online class. Today, I will discuss the chart and graphs. What type of the graphs? What are the types of the many graphs, chart and graphs? There is a graph is called a pie chart. Such as table chart, linear chart, graph chart, pie chart, line chart, etc. Dear student, many student forget to good writing in the exam hall. Chart, don't worry, remember it. Always approach simple sentence and logical theme, and last of all own recommends. Okay, understand it. Let's come to the point. I will discuss the chart and suggested answer. Follow, give full attention for me. The question, the graph below shows Rohit's time spending on various activities. That chart indicates the six part Rohit. His time spending is school 25%, playing 19%, sleep 25%, entertainment 15%, meals 6%, homework 6%. Now I discuss that answer. The pie chart is about Rohit's time spending in various activities. Okay, the graph is divided into six parts. It shows how Rohit spent into time in various activities. Rohit spends 50% of his time in sleeping and school. It is 25% for each. 25% school and 25% sleep. Total 50%. Okay. The rest of his time is spent in playing, meals, homework, and entertainment. Among these, the graph largest portion is spent in playing, that is 19%. 15% of his time is spent in entertainment. Then come homework. He spends to 10% of his time in doing homework. For having meals, he spends only 6% of his time. Okay, so own recommends. Dear student, follow me. Give own recommends. So it can be said that Rohit spent the largest amount of his time both in sleeping and school, and the last time he needs for the having meals. Okay, he more needs having meals. As a student, he should ensure the best use of time. Okay, clear? It is clear that a chart is very satisfactory for all students. Now I gave you Homework. Careful. Describe the third benefit of girls' education. Girls' education divided 1, 2, 3, 4 column that write in paragraph and own recommends. Okay. First point, improve health and nutrition. Second point, reduce population growth. Third point, encourage economic productivity. Fourth point, sustained development efforts. Now, welcome. Welcome. Thank you very much, all students. Come to see you again. I hope you will continue your study at home and read attentively again and again. Okay, thanks.